Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to get started on your watermarks. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to go to File, and then New. And you're just going to make a letter size document for now because we're not going to end up leaving the actual logo on this same page. So you're just going to give yourself a nice sheet of paper to work on. And on this page is where you're going to make a bunch of different designs while you're trying to figure out what you actually want to make. And I'm just going to show you a couple of tools right now that you can use to make your logo. So over here on the toolbar, there is type tool. Okay, there's a horizontal type tool, and then there is a vertical type tool. So it really just depends on whether you want your type to go up and down or you want your type to go side to side. So I'm going to use a horizontal one for now. And then up here at the top, there's all these like settings for your type, similar to what you would see in Word. So you're going to pick your font, okay? And you can pick a size that's probably too big. So, and color, I'm just going to do black for now. Okay. And then you just come down here and you click and you would type what you want it to say. And you can see I didn't capitalize the first letter in my name. Grammar doesn't matter so much in a logo. You can make all the letters uppercase, you can make all the letters lowercase. You could capitalize if you wanted to, but for this design I want all lowercase. So there's my type. I think I might want to change the shape of this type. So what I would do is I would use this warp text tool, and it'll show you all the different ways you can change the shape of the type. Okay, so I want mine to be on an arc. Okay, and you can change how much it bends, right? I don't want it to be so bendy. You can play around with all of these settings here until it looks like what you want it to look like. It will show you as you're doing it what it looks like. Okay. All right, cool. And then I feel pretty done with that. So what I'll do is I'm going to come back to this tool right here, which is the Move tool. It will kind of just clear out whatever tool you're in. And you can see the cursor over here goes away. And then you can come back into the Type tool and you can type your next word. So I'm just going to grab another font. Okay, I want to pick a simple one because I picked kind of a fancy one for my name. And then I'm actually going to make it a little bit smaller because I don't want it to be as pronounced as my name. And here, instead of all lowercase, I think I'll do all caps. And I still think that that is probably too big, so I'm going to make it even smaller. Great. Okay. So for now, I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to go into the Move tool to clear out the cursor, and now I'll move it together to try to make it make a little bit more sense. Okay. So there's all the words I'm going to use, and what I want you guys to do today is I want you to do this a few times on this same page. So you're going to make a bunch of different designs with different fonts, different combinations, maybe even with different names if you're not sure what you want to call your photography. And then after that, the next step will be that I will show you how to add in icons and how to add in lines and things like that. So that's for next class. All right. And to save this, as always, you would go to File, Save As. Make sure that you are saving it to your desktop and then saving it as a Photoshop file, PSD. That is your working file. And then you just hit save. Okay, and you're all done.